Okay, so before we get into this video, I just want to say, I don't understand why. I mean, obviously it's not a problem. I'm very happy with it, but I don't understand how I've hit 400 subscribers, because I was expecting it to take, another week, because I was about 6 subscribers away, and it takes 1 day to get, a subscriber, but I got all 6 of them in a day, and I'm now 402 subscribers, so I'm trying to look at my channel and see what I've done that's got a lot of clout all of a sudden, but I can't seem to find it because all the views are about the same, so I don't know, maybe it was just luck. But anyway, so today we're going to be drawing a Japanese WW2 Imperial officer. So this guy is armed with a katana and a pistol, so this is just a vague outline of him here that we're going to be drawing over. And also this is continuing with the project that I'm doing at school. So you will need a dark brown pen, grey, a skin colour of your choice, a murky brown colour, murky green or khaki, gold, and then finally an outline pen. And there's also light brown. So you'll want to start off with the boots, then bring up this leg, but only worry about this leg for now. Do a pouch in this shape, so this is going to be the pouch that holds his gun. A small ammunition pouch here, and then we're just going to connect the two with a belt, and in the middle of that just put a belt buckle. Now we're going to make the outline for the torso, and then those are the outlines for the shoulders, so they should go in and up. There's one arm. We're going to give him an armband. And then for the katana, do a flattened C. Then there's the hilt, which is basically a rectangle. And then for the blade, make 2 parallel lines travelling in a slight bend. Then finally, at the back of the hilt, you're going to add in it's almost like a horse tail shape. So this would have been to signify a high rank in the army. Once the katana's done, we can do the other leg, and now both legs are done, we can give him creases on the trousers. Give his t-shirt an angled V, add triangles, and then triangles onto the triangles to create the collar. We all like triangles. Give him a strap for his gun holster, and then another strap for his ammunition pouch. There's a line straight down the middle, and another one, and then give him some buttons. Those are his pockets, and now we can focus on his arm. So there's his arm, it's bent with a crease in the crook of the elbow. Finish off the sleeve with a curved in line. For his hand, we want to show that he's gripping the gun, so I'm going to give him 3 fingers here, and then a thumb just there. Then that'll be his other finger, which will be in the trigger well. There's the gun and the extended barrel. So far this guy's looking quite good, I'd say. Now we can focus on the head. There's his head, and make sure that this line is steeper than this one, because that shows that his head is tilted. Ear, nose, eyes, eyebrows, and a screaming face. I don't know why I sounded so aggressive saying that, but... So this is the line that's going to start off the, sunscreen, or sunblind, and that's the rest of it. The back of the cap, and then the actual cap itself is kind of this shape with a little button. You can put creases on the hat if you want to, it's up to you. And then that's his neck done. So now we can start colouring in. Khaki, dark brown, light brown, skin colour, dark grey, a metal grey, and finally a murky brown. So then, I'm not feeling too satisfied with this, so I'm going to add in a few more creases to this guy's tunic every now and then. And then for the band, it should say something in Japanese in there, but I can't speak Japanese or write Japanese, and I especially can't write Japanese when I'm writing in a box that's a few millimeters wide, but I shall have a go. Boom. In Japanese, this translates to, I have no idea why I'm wearing an armband. But yeah, so that is this video over. So if you were interested in subscribing, then I applaud you too, because this channel does lots of really bad drawing tutorials like this. And who doesn't like really bad drawing tutorials? I cannot think of anything else to say, so I guess I still don't have an outro.